In all of Canada, over the course of 1 year, 35,000 youth are homeless.
On any given night, 7,000 youth are homeless in Canada.
70% of Canadian homeless youth have either suffered from physical, emotional, or sexual abuse, and this is equal to 17 students in our class.
30% of these individuals have been involved in some sort of sex trade, like prostitution, phone sex, or stripping.
The sex trade is almost always due to the hunger that these homeless youth endure. In fact, 11% of homeless men and 23% of homeless women said they would resort to trading sex for food.
On top of that, an astounding 50% of street youth have admitted to eating out of garbage cans and stealing food. That in total is 12 of you in this class out of 25.
As grade 12 students, we note our graduation coming up. We think about where we will be in September.
But not all people have the same opportunities.
60% of females and 56% of males will only achieve their grade 11 or less.
33% of females and 31% of males will graduate grade 12. That's only 9 of you in this class.
And only 6% of girls and 12% of boys will go to university or college.
A test was done to assess the learning abilities of youth who did attend school.
25.6% of them were diagnosed with anger management.
19.1% with ADHD.
15.2% with hyperactivity, and 4.5% of educated homeless youth had dyslexia.
Without a proper education, you may be wondering how these youth make money.
The street youth in Canada have few options, though 36% of them make money through squeegeeing or panhandling.
19% result to selling drugs, which is equal to 5 students in our class.
18% use social assistance.
10% consider sex trade work their main source of income, which is 3 of you.
Although these youths may not have a stable family home, many of them find shelter in other ways.
60% of those people end up sleeping in the Toronto youth centers.
25% end up staying in their friend's couch.